Welcome back to My Car Shop. Today, we're on the road to take up with the 2021 Taco Challenge presented by Muscle City Madness. So here we are. Problem is, where I live, there is no such thing as a taco truck. They don't exist. So let's see how this works out. Let's watch the show intro, and we'll see tacos on the other side.
Working out of a 100-year-old refurbished barn, bringing 35 years of experience to projects considered beyond repair. Vision, creativity, and problem solving are essential tools in this place. Watch as we transform junk into polished metal miracles. This is My Car's Shop.
Yeah, Taco Challenge, that's great. If you live in a place where there are tacos, we could do a steak challenge. We have beef everywhere. This is farm country. We could do the corn challenge. We could do that. I could travel to northern Michigan to do the pasty challenge, and most of you won't even know what a Cornish pasty is. But no, we get a taco challenge in Michigan. Where the heck am I supposed to find a taco? And of course, Duddy has to lay down a rule. Duddy says very clearly that Campana Taqueria is not acceptable. Well, that just rang my bell. So what am I going to do? Well, I've got to travel 30 dirty miles to a Mexican restaurant where I can hopefully get something that reasonably resembles a taco. But we shall see. Now, I will admit, I do know for a fact that there is one taco truck about 50 or 60 miles away from here. Unfortunately, they taste like poo wrapped in a tortilla. They're terrible. So I'm not driving all the way there for a taco challenge because I would be much better off to go to Campana Taqueria than I would be to go to whatever the name of that place is. I don't remember. So I'm going to travel. I'm not going to bother filming the travel, but you're going to have to stay tuned for where I'm going to get a taco to meet this Muscle City Madness Challenge. It's madness. It's just madness! Now here's the thing about being in a town the size of Kingston, Michigan, is there's a taco stand right down there. However, there's not a taco stand here. And there's not a taco stand here. In fact, this restaurant has moved down the road and isn't even here anymore. So we don't have a lot of choices like Duddy, who can say, well, there's a taco stand here and here and here. No, we don't have that choice. So we're stuck with the one choice down there to get our taco. But that's okay because it's better than no taco at all, right? Okay, so we're here at La Hacienda in Kingston, Michigan to pick up the tacos for the 2021 Taco Challenge, and we will take these back to the shop and we will end up doing something automotive related with these tacos. So let's see what we can figure out, because I don't know. And by the way, that's not a taco stand either. I'm not even sure it's open. I guess what I'm saying is I just don't have choices. But I have tacos right here in my little bag. And there's a little bit of something red in there I hope resembles salsa. And there's a little bit of sour cream if you want to kill that fire, but we probably don't want to kill the fire. But I'm guessing there's not going to be much fire, and that to me is just not a good taco. But I have a remedy for that, and it's a special surprise. So let's do something that kind of relates to my channel, something that my channel is kind of known for, something that maybe nobody else's channel does. I don't know. Let's see what we possibly maybe come up with, because I really haven't planned this out very well at all. But I have tacos. Daddy, you'd be proud. I have tacos. Sort of. Maybe. I hope it's not poo in a tortilla. Now, I did want to qualify that before we get back to the shop, that I do know what good tacos taste like. I have spent many years traveling to Texas on business, and I've eaten authentic and I've eaten Tex-Mex, so I've had both varieties of tacos. Recently was in Austin, Texas, as some of you remember, and I had breakfast tacos in Austin. I've been to San Antonio, I've been to Killeen and Harker Heights. I've had tacos in those places. Over on the other side, I've been to Houston and Humble and Cleveland, and then further north I've been to Nacogdoches, and I've eaten tacos in all of those places. So I have a long time of experience eating tacos, and I know what good tacos should be like, at least in my opinion. But we don't know if these are going to be good tacos or not. I've actually only ever eaten in that restaurant once, and it must not have been that memorable because I didn't go back. But we have tacos, and we are just moments away from the shop and eating some tacos. So we've got our tacos from La Hacienda, and I think it would be appropriate for my channel if we spent some time welding on this frame rail. So we're going to go ahead and do that and enjoy our tacos while we're working on this frame. So, wait a minute. I think we have a problem. That's not going to work. What else is the channel known for besides the channel of endless frame rail repair? We could work on stitches, I guess, but there's not much that we can do that doesn't require two hands. So I'm not sure how we could do any fabricating, because it would be pretty impossible to run the bead roll over the taco in my hand. And it would be pretty impossible to run the shrinker stretcher with a taco in my hand. And it would be pretty impossible to cut sheet metal, and we obviously know we can't weld. I know we could work on the 47, but I don't really want to get near that beautiful paint job with a messy taco. We could do something on the Oakland, but I need to mount tires, and I'm not sure you can do that with one hand while eating a taco. I suppose I could get in the car and enjoy just sitting in the car, but taco juices and 100-year-old upholstery, no, that's not a good idea. I know. I think the first thing that we should do is show you the taco. And so we have these 3 steak tacos that look pretty scrummy. Lots of cilantro, some fresh lime to squeeze. It looks interesting. We'll see. Do they look scrummy? They're kind of cold. It's too bad we didn't have an engine to heat it up with. We could put it on like an engine powered by 160 armadillos. It does come with a little bit of salsa. Not sure. It smells interesting. Doesn't feel totally like Texas salsa. I've not had Arizona salsa. It's very mild, but flavorful. I'll give it that. And of course, it comes with this all-natural cultured sour cream. So it comes with all the accoutrements. I know what we need to talk about. One downside that I found is it doesn't come with any face rags or anything to mop up your juice up from the juicy taco. So blue shop towels are the cure for everything. But one of the things that I realized, that I don't have an engine running 160 armadillos that I can heat my tacos back up on. But then I realized I'm from Michigan, and we don't rate our power by that anyway. I'm from northern Michigan. We rate our power by Wildcats. And everybody knows that Wildcats are a lot faster than armadillos. So we have to do a conversion while we're eating our tacos and find out what is the formula for converting armadillos to Wildcats, so that we can compare power here in the north to power in Texas. So I've got the formula worked out here, and I've got one of these tacos in my hand, and I didn't put any salsa or anything on it yet. I'm just going to try it raw. It's very mild. It's got nice flavor. The meat is flavorful. Interesting. We're going to do something with it. We're probably going to put a little of that salsa on there, but I don't have an engine that's 160 armadillos to heat this up, and I realized I wouldn't even know what size engine that would be here in Michigan. So we are going to do the Wildcat to Armadillo conversion. So we want to find out how many Wildcats it is in an armadillo. We know that Wildcats are faster, so armadillos times 7, because 7 is the perfect number, times pi, because armadillos probably would make a pretty good pie if you cooked it right, divided by 26, which is Michigan, the 26th state in the Union. So if we do the math here, and we have 160 armadillos, 160 times 7 times 3.14 divided by 26, and we come up with, let's see, this is 30,516.8, and we divide that by 26, we come up with 135.26. So we know that 135.26 Wildcats equals 160 armadillos. So it's important to speak the language of where you're from and to know how to do the conversion rates so that you're getting accurate measurements, because they have to, everything's bigger in Texas. Well, the number's bigger in Texas, but that's the true power rating right there. So as usual, as a guy making things really bigger than they really are. All right, so tacos. I don't have 135 Wildcats anyway, so I'm gonna try a little of this salsa on here. See how that goes. Let's see what that does. Well, we've added the salsa. And that does nothing. It's got flavor, I'll give it that. It's probably more authentic Mexican than Tex-Mex, because my understanding from friends who are Mexican is that you add the heat and the food is fairly mild by itself. So we need to add some heat, because this isn't working for me. I like stuff that's hot. So let's see what we got. Being the entrepreneur that I am, I just happen to have something very special that actually comes out of our band, and it's a product that we offer for sale. And not everybody, I bet not many people on YouTube can say this, but we have our own hot sauce. It's called Hot Mess Iron Fist Hot Sauce. Hot sauce, it's vicious. So we're gonna put some hot mess on the taco and see if we can heat things up just a little. This is kind of disappointing. So I don't know how much to put on here. We're gonna try to put some. It's a new bottle, so we got to be careful. Ooh, that's way too much. That's gonna be perfect. Okay. So yeah, let's put a little heat in there now and see how that goes for us. Brings a fire. Not terrible. No sweats. That's not the point of this, because most people wouldn't be able to eat it, but it brings a fire. Brings out the flavor, which is what I like. Steak is good. Not bad. That does it. Like I said, it's not terribly hot. Not to me, because I do like things really, really, really hot. But it's nice. Maybe I should go to the restaurant and see if they want to buy the hot mess sauce. It would make their tacos much better. The thing I like about that sauce is it does have a little afterburn. Well, that's kind of inconvenient, isn't it? It does have a little afterburn, and that's kind of nice. It is middle of the day, and we're not going to be enjoying any adult beverages with our tacos, because that's not allowed in the shop here when we're working on cars, because adult beverages and working on cars do not go together at all. We're going to add a little more hot sauce to another one of these fine specimens of a taco from La Hacienda. That's way too much. That'll be perfect. Hot sauce is kind of like Wildcats, or to speak in a language that those south of the border can understand, armadillos. It's impossible to have too much. Cheers, Ruben. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it. Check out his channel, Muscle City Madness. Good stuff going on over there. He's got a couple nice cars and he just incorporates them into daily life. Of course, Duddy, who I've been having a poke at through this whole thing because he's just friggin' hilarious. And he's just a great guy and I love his channel. And I love, woo, little backfire. I love what he's doing. So check him out, Duddy's Adventures on YouTube here. Yeah. Thanks for joining us for this episode of My Car Shop. This was fun. I was actually kind of in the dumps this morning, feeling burned out. So I guess I was doing burnouts while eating tacos. But even though it was an hour of my day to go down and get these tacos, they actually are pretty good. Good flavor. Not a lot of choices here in Michigan. So anyway, thanks to everybody who's participating in this, and spread the word about this taco challenge to other channels. We're kind of doing this as a response to the burnout challenge that was done by the big guys last year. Us little guys want to have some fun too, so all good, all good. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do, because now we have tacos. Spread the word. If you're in forums that might enjoy the stuff that we're doing here at My Car Shop with the fabricating and the refinishing and painting and eventually some interior work and all that stuff, spread the word. Drop a link, youtube.com/mycarshop, and just spread the word and see if you can get other car people to come over and subscribe, because we want more guys and gals here on the channel. We appreciate every one of you who are here. If you're on Instagram and Facebook, join us over there /mycarshop. I don't know what else to say. Whew, it's getting a little bit hot on the old hot mess there, isn't it? And legitimately, just so you know, this is a real product that we sell at our shows. And if you're interested, let me know, drop a comment, and we can get you a bottle of this stuff. I think it's $7 a bottle, plus tax. And it comes from our band, Iron Fist. Not here to sell a product, just saying, if you're interested, let me know. And that'll do it. So I don't know how else to end this except keep eating tacos. And let's just say it. Rock on, guys. Thanks for being here. I really, really do appreciate you. I think we need some super clean. We got a greasy mess. Where's the super clean? There it is. And one more thing. If you're looking for tacos in Kingston, Michigan, then check out La Hacienda. Tell them that Mike from My Car Shop sent you. They won't know who the hell you're talking about, but it's good to get the word out.